Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Zarid and you are watching Ambition with Zarid. I hope you guys doing absolutely fine. My today's topic is going to be very interesting. As you see in my thumbnail, my today's topic is about 5 new inventions in pharma industry. So, without wasting your time, let's start the session. And before start the session, I would request those who are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's start. We live in an age in which technology is moving rapidly, creating new fields and disrupting existing models and purposes. From a career standpoint, staying abreast of new invention in pharma can be very beneficial, helping you to adapt to change, seize new opportunities, and focus on developing the skills that you will need in the future. Steve Jobs predicted the biggest invention of the 21st century will be at the intersection of biology and technology, and the movement referred as a digital health or mHealth, called mobile health. This forecast by the late Apple CEO appears to be on track, as consumer technologies such as mobiles and wearable devices are already beginning with the revolutionize the wider health industry. Here are 5 emerging digital health inventions that are starting to have an impact on the pharma industry. So first is precision medicine. Precision medicine is an approach that integrates the clinical and molecular information to understand the biological basis of a disease. And this can be obtained by the converting the DNA into the data through the process called the genome sequencing. Researchers can use the data to understand the specific genome abnormalities or biomarkers, to understand in which type of patient the drug will be the most effective and who is likely to experience the side effect. This can aid in the development of new targeted therapies and repurposing the existing drug. Next is mHealth sensor. Pharma Research Institute already beginning to take the advantage of mHealth technology to conduct the clinical research. Smartphones that have powerful processor and advanced sensor that can track the movement, take measurement and record the information are very useful in post-market studies. Apple currently has several mHealth apps for clinical research on their iPhones, including apps targeting the Parkinson's disease, diabetes, heart disease, asthma, and breast cancer. Next is 3D printing. Recently, epilepsy drug Spritum becomes the first 3D printed drug which is approved by FDA. And the drug manufacturer Aprecia Pharmaceuticals says that it makes the oral medication through 3-dimensional printing process, which builds the pill by spreading layers of the drug on the top of one another until the right dose is reached. This technique allows the pill to deliver the higher dose of medicine, which is up to 1000 mg, and being porous enough, it dissolves very quickly. And these attributes can be beneficial for those patients who have difficulty in swallowing their medication and that affect the adherence of the treatment regimen. And the next is nanotechnology. Nanotechnology, or the microscopic technology that is of the scale of between 1 to 100 nanometer. A sheet of newspaper is about 1 lakh nanometer thick. So due to the microscopic structure, the nanoparticles travel around the human body within the bloodstream. Nanoparticles are composed of biological based nanotechniques or simple material nanostructures, which have already been shown to assist the delivery of anti-cancer drug and to reduce the toxicity. Researchers are developing nanotechnologies that can track when patients take their medication to encourage increased adherence. The particles, once consumed, send signals to demonstrate the medication has been taken, and the information would then fed back to the patient and the doctor through the mobile app. Medical researchers are also investigate the potential to use the microscopic robots called the nanobots, which can be pre-programmed and able to perform the tasks inside the body. Nanobots consumed in the form of the pill or injection could even seek out and destroy the cancer cell and even perform surgical tasks internally. And last but not the least is artificial intelligence. The computer with learning abilities such as IBM Watson are capable of digesting and interpreting millions of pages of the scientific literatures and data and assist to the pharma companies to invent the new drug and repurposing the existing ones. Researchers and scientists at big pharma company have started already using the Watson to assist in research and development. Johnson & Johnson already collaborating with the IBM Watson Discovery Advisory team to teach the Watson to read and understand scientific papers that detail the clinical trial outcomes and used to develop and evaluate medications and other treatments. So these are the 5 new inventions that starting have an impact on the pharma industry. So today I try to share some new information with you. So before leaving my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. I will coming soon with my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay home.